So here is why you might want to save your day trades for later this week. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions here with a super quick market update. I want to let you guys know that not only because of what's going on overseas and the attack, if I'm not mistaken, happening in Israel, but obviously there's a lot of uncertainty right now with the market, right? And just to really add to it, this week we have overall CPI and PPI reports being released both on Wednesday and on Thursday. And on top of that, on Wednesday, which is again at 2 p.m. Eastern time, we have FOMC minutes. So this is pretty much going to be a summary on how the Federal Reserve came up with the most recent pause, which was their last rate decision of not increasing interest rates on the last Federal Reserve meeting. So that's going to be happening on Wednesday. Thursday is the big inflation report, which is the CPI and core CPI. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. So again, just another reason to subscribe to the YouTube channel because we will most likely be live streaming that. And then on Friday, we have export prices, import prices, and then the consumer sentiment report. Overall, it's not that market is necessarily doing terrible, right? If you look at some of big tech is slightly in the green. Just because of what's going on overseas and the attack that's happening in Israel, I feel like it's really creating a lot of confusion with the market, right? We saw that the market was showing signs of a potential recovery based off of last week's performance, right? So we're showing a lot of signs of consolidation here. We showed strong signs of progress here for NASDAQ based off of our recent drop. It looked like the market was finally going to try to work its way back up to previous highs of 377. But because of the uncertainty and the attacks that are going on, I feel like it is injecting fear into the market. And with the uncertainty of the CPI report this Thursday, the PPI report this Wednesday, and the FOMC minutes report this Wednesday, I feel like, again, days like this where we're 2 hours into market open, and just so you can see, from the time that the market opened to where we're at right now, we have not really made much progress, right? We're not showing signs of higher highs. We're not showing signs of lower lows. I didn't want to overcomplicate today and create stress where it's not needed, right? There's days like this where you could either try to work with the market if you like trading kind of like these sideways patterns of the low points, the high points, the low points, the high points, the low points, the high points. There's nothing wrong with that. Or if you're under the PDT rule, maybe it's not the worst idea to save those day trades for Wednesday or Thursday of this week when those big economic reports are released and maybe the market direction can be a little bit more clear, right? Maybe something like we saw on Friday where it was very easy to see that, hey, market's very bullish, or hey, market's very bearish. I can go long, I can go short, rather than these quick changes of direction. And if you're day trading that and you're under the PDT rule, then maybe you're just wasting those day trades on much smaller opportunities when you can just be saving them when direction can be more favorable later throughout the week. So just wanted to make you aware of what's to come this week. I do apologize for not being able to go live yesterday for our Sunday stock talk. I was driving back from California. I'm happy to be back. I'm going to be here up until Thursday, and I'm excited to see which way the market ends up choosing to go. But as of right now, kind of confusing because I don't know if market's going to begin to show signs of progress in favor of the bulls, or if it's going to be getting to sell off because of, if things get worse overseas, then again, we always have to just anticipate that. So I appreciate your time. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date with any changes that I see in the overall market. But like we've said before, when in doubt, don't be afraid to cash out. So hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to enter our M4 giveaway. That's the fourth link in the description down below. And this is prize week, which means every order gets a prize. And if you want to learn more about that, click that fourth link in the description down below and make sure you enter that M4 giveaway today. So I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live trading session. And that's our second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.